had open heart surgery, and I had repair to my mitral valve, which was severely leaking, and I also had a repair to the tricuspid valve. Well, it was outstanding. I think it's worth giving a little bit of background, is that my cardiologist in West Sussex basically said, I recommend that you have your operation done through the Royal Brompton and specifically Ms Yadav, who is world renowned. He said your NHS money will follow you round, so providing I've been referred to the Royal Brompton and Ms Yadav, then I could proceed from there, which I did. So I met Ms Yadav in September of 23, and we had a very, very constructive meeting. She was amazing. She was excellent from start to finish. She reassured me. She gave me all the information that I needed. She'd looked at all my pre-diagnostic information. So she was very clear and concise on what I needed to have done. She did give me the caveat that if the operation, if anything wasn't quite as she was expecting, then the repair would have to turn into a full replacement of the valves, but that wasn't the case. In fact, it all went smoothly, exactly as she'd predicted. So I saw her in the September, and we had the consultation. I then had the operation on the 19th of December, and that went very, very smoothly, and I was actually released from hospital then on Christmas Day. So it couldn't have been better. It was truly brilliant. Ms Yadav is world renowned. She's outstanding. She's very personable. She's very friendly. She's genuine. You know you're in very safe hands with her. She's the very, very best. If you look at her record, her success rate is truly outstanding. She gave me reassurance. She made me very calm because it was quite a daunting operation that I was facing, so I was very, very nervous about it all, but I came away from my meetings with her, you know, much calmer, much more reassured, and much more confident that everything would be fine. And in fact, everything went exactly as she had predicted. I would say she's the best. She is absolutely brilliant. I can't recommend her highly enough.